A very good morning. Good morning to us today. Um, we have seen a lot going on in the market in the past few days. A lot of liquidation action, and we want to quickly see probably the most likely scenario that we are expecting for Bitcoin between now and the weekend. Today is Thursday already. We have just about 2 days, 3 days before the week will come to a close. And right now, Bitcoin has been performing, reacting based on the news that the Fed came out with. All right, quickly, let us look at the chart. Let us see the facts that are on the chart. Where are we looking at next for Bitcoin? Is it going to the up or to the down? Yes, the chart before us here is a 4 hourly chart, 4 hourly time frame. It's a 4 hourly time frame. If you look at the past 4 hours, Bitcoin has been moving in the range. Yeah, look at the range. Just take a look at the range. Look at the range. Bitcoin has been moving in the range, and so far, we are seeing the MACD also. Take a look at the MACD. Yeah, the MACD is showing us that there is weakness. There's weakness in the downward pressure. There's weakness in the downward pressure. MACD is trying to recover back to the bullish position. And look at the RSI. Let's take a look at the RSI. The RSI also is attempting to put on a bullish divergence. The RSI is attempting to put on a bullish divergence. If this is confirmed, then Bitcoin, we are not ruling out the 25,000 target for now. We are not ruling it out at all. Bitcoin will still go there. Now, for the bullish divergence to be confirmed, the RSI, the bullish RSI, that is the thick yellow line, will have to go above the 40 line. When this thick yellow line go above the 40 line, that is going to be a confirmation of the bullish divergence. Now, for now, where is our support and our resistance? All right, let's go to the daily time frame so that we can see our support and resistance very clearly. Let's quickly move to the daily time frame. Now, this is volume analysis. Yeah, so don't be confused. What you see is volume analysis. The red bar you see there, whenever you see this red bar at the bottom of a downtrend, it means that prices want to go up. And that red bar means very strong volume. That is what it means. Very strong volume. Whenever you see it at the end of uptrend, means that prices want to come down. Now, look at the yellow bar there. The yellow bar you see there is a sign of strong volume coming in. Take note, the red one is a sign of a very strong volume, while the yellow is a sign of a strong volume. Then the other one, the green there that you see, the blue, not the green, the blue, tiny blue, is a sign of just a tiny volume. So likely we are going to be seeing the weakness continuing for Bitcoin in terms of coming down further to the downside for the very short term. Please take note, for the very short term. And then there's something I have to show to us here. Look at this blue and white moving averages. Take a look at this blue and white moving average. The blue moving average is a 50-day moving average, and again the white moving average is the 100-day moving average. What are we using this for? What is this? Wow. Now the blue moving average, which is the 50-day moving average, whenever it crosses above the white moving average, which is a 100-day moving average, prices will move up. That is it. That's just it. Prices move up. Prices move up. Whenever that happens. And then whenever the white moving 100-day moving average, whenever it crosses below, whenever it crosses above, sorry, whenever it crosses above, when the blue is on top, the market is bullish, and when the white is on top, the market is bearish. Now we are seeing an attempt for the whites to go on top. If the white goes on top, we are going to fall very seriously for quite some time. If that white moving average goes on top, which is the 100-day moving average, goes on top the 50-day, we are going to see Bitcoin coming down substantially for quite some time. That is what it is. Now, we have not seen it crossing though. All right, quickly, let's move to the daily time frame now. Let's go to the daily time frame, which is our most used time frame. Yeah, on the daily time frame, some statistics are becoming even more clearer here on the daily time frame. And one of it is that we are seeing the support very clearly at this stage. Yes, support is even more clearer now. We are seeing support more clearer. The support right now is on top the prices of 20,164 also. Can I? Yeah. Okay, 20,154. 20,147. That is our support, And from what we are seeing here, the support is still holding. Let me zoom it out properly so that you can see. You can take this down so that you can see the support very clearly. Yeah. Okay. Zoom it out. All right. Okay. Move up. Yeah. So you can see that this support of 20,147 is still holding for now. This support is still holding, though attempting to break. Now, a break below this support will take Bitcoin to the prices of, quickly, let's see, a break below will take Bitcoin to, 19,400, 19,500. That is what we will be expecting. This is on a daily time frame. A break below 20,147 will take Bitcoin down to 19,418. That is where we are going to be seeing Bitcoin heading down to if this current support is being broken. And as we are seeing right now, there is a serious attempt for this to be broken. Now, to confirm on a daily time frame, to confirm this break below this current support, Bitcoin will have to see the full body of this candle. The full body of the candle will have to close below 20,147. Right now, the full body is below. The full body is below right now, but we have not closed the day. We have to wait for the day to close. In the next 13 hours, the day will close. If the day close like this, simply what that means is that we are going to see Bitcoin moving further down to the downside, and our next support is around the prices of let's see 19,400, 19,500. That is where our next support is. So that is what we are seeing right now happening. Let's wait for the day to close. Very interesting. If it closes below, then no, Bitcoin will be going further to the downside. All right, let us see quickly what the MACD is showing us. Yeah, from what the MACD is showing us, MACD is showing us that there's weakness in the strength of Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Now, take note, the bigger time frames are more reliable. Please take note, bigger time frames are more reliable. Now, we are seeing weakness in the strength of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is losing strength according to the MACD. Yeah, Bitcoin is losing strength. Let us see what the RSI has got to offer us. Yes, the RSI right now is still below 40. For us to see any bullish scenario to return back to the market, we have to see the RSI going above 50. Take note, so long as the RSI remains below 50, the market remains bearish. Yes, so long as the RSI remains below 50, the market remains what? Bearish. That is what it is. So we're going to be keeping our eyes on two things: where the market closes for today, two, where the RSI remains at the end of today. The RSI remains below 50, market remains bullish. But if the RSI go above 50, market turns bullish. And then if Bitcoin closes below 20,147, further downside. But above then we'll see a uptrend, a resumption of the uptrend. So these are the statistics that we're watching out for today. I want to say a very big thank you for us. Bye for now, and see you in my next video.